the most interesting things that we've discovered with our patients is that a lot of people have an interesting journey in how they find us. And sometimes finding the person that you need to help you with your hearing loss and using hearing aids, navigating those waters can be challenging. There's many different advertisements you'll see in your mailbox, TV commercials. If you do a Google search, you're going to get bombarded with all these ads. We will, in our practice here, we want to offer a free second opinion. So if you've seen a local business here in town or have been tested or been consulted with to talk about hearing aid and amplification needs, if you're just still kind of confused or want a second opinion or a second set of eyes to look at what the test levels are, we gladly do that at no charge to you as a free evaluation. As an independent office, we offer every make, model, and brand in the market, so we're always up to date in the latest technology, as well as giving you just a non-biased, friendly opinion on how we think we could treat you best with your hearing loss. We find a lot of our patients find that to be a high value, and at the end of the day, whatever you feel comfortable doing, we want to make sure you have a great experience. So give us a call if you want a free second opinion. Thanks.